Hey G Squad, welcome back to my soda. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a car jump starter. If you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and then here is basically what's called a product. So you can see the size of the product is actually pretty big. Because the capacity that's on here is 20,000 mAh, so that's more than enough power for you guys to jump start your car. And you can see right here they mention how it does have a quick charge technology that allow you guys to fast charge the jump starter when you guys are low on battery. And then if you guys turn on this side right here, they do provide guys with more specs and features on the product, and also in the back right here as well. So you can see in the back right here, they do mention how it does have the protection built in, like the overcharge protection, the short circuit protection, and the list goes on. And right here in the bottom, you can see they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to use it, which should be very easy and very simple. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys take out the sleeve, here is basically what the inside looks like. But once you guys take this part out, here is what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a little envelope. And on the envelope, they do provide guys some cool stickers. And they also do provide guys a user manual and a warranty card as well. And then right underneath that, you can see we do have the actual product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, you can see there's more stuff in the bottom. So the first thing in the very bottom, they do provide guys a charging cable that's in use to charge it. And because it does use USB-C, that is basically how it allows you guys to quick charge the product. But you see inside right here, they also provide guys a USB to USB-C cable. They can probably use that to charge the product as well. And next up right here, you see they do give you guys a car charger adapter. So you can definitely use that option to recharge stuff, or if you guys want to use it for other options, you do have the option available as well. And right here, you can see they do provide guys a jump starter cable. So you basically want to plug this into the actual product. And then for other side, you can plug this into your car. So those are all the accessories that's inside. Now let's show you guys the actual product. So take out this wrapper first. Once you guys take out the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys do feel the overall weight of the product, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it. But when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely does feel like a high quality material. So in the front part here, you see we do have the brand logo. And right here, you see it does tell you guys that you do have the option to use it for gas or diesel vehicle. And right here, you see we do have the power button, and probably right here is the flashlight option. So if you guys turn on the side right here, you can see right here we do have the flashlight option. And right here is probably where you guys want to plug in the jump starter option. So let's do open up. That is basically what the inside looks like. So that is basically where you can plug in the jump starter option. So you probably don't want to do that right now. You guys want to do it when you guys do plug it into your car. And then on the side right here, and also on this side as well, they do have the brand logo. But if you guys turn on this side right here, you can see we do have a few more output as well. And they do label on here to let you guys know what is actually available. So there's a Type-C option, USB, and a DC. But let's open it up. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So definitely really cool how the product does allow you guys to use it as a jump starter option, but it does give you guys the option to use it as a power bank as well. And if you guys are curious about the input and output power that's on here, they do provide guys that information right here. And then on this side right here, you see they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And that is basically everything that's on the product. So obviously right now I cannot use it in the car, so I'll use that in a second. For now, let me test out the flashlight option and probably like the USB-C option as well. So basically I'm gonna press right here to turn on. So you see in the front right here, we do have a display screen, and it does show you guys that it is at 80%. And if you guys press the button in the bottom, that basically turns on the flashlight option. If you can see the flashlight that's on here is pretty bright. If you guys press on again, it does get brighter. If you guys press on again, it turns on the SOS option. If you guys press on one more time, it goes in a slower SOS light option. If you guys press it again, now you guys have a red light option. Press it again, and it turns off. So definitely really cool how it does give you guys that option available. Now let's try out some of these output right here. So for the first test, let me just plug in a USB-C option. So let's plug in right here. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does show you guys that it's charging. So the input definitely does work. Now let's try the USB option. So right here I do have my USB cable. If you guys do plug it in, and then for other side, I'm gonna plug it onto my phone. Alright, so it doesn't look like it does work when you guys do plug in the cable while it's charging. Let me try again to unplug the cable first. Alright, so I see that works. So when you guys are using the input option, you guys cannot use the output at the same time. So I guess that's like a built-in safety feature. But now let's try to use the USB-C option as well. Alright, so for the USB-C option, we're gonna plug in a USB-C to lightning cable. So we got it plugged in right there. For the other side, we'll plug it onto our phone. Alright, so you see that does work. So currently it's charging both our phone at the same time. And then obviously if you guys want to use the DC option at the same time, you do have the option available. And then probably when you guys do use all 3 outputs at the same time, you probably don't want to plug this in. You probably want to unplug it first before you guys use it, just to be safe. But I believe you do have the option to use all 4 of them at the same time if you guys really do need to. And see right here, they do have a little symbol to let you guys know that it is working for the charging option. But that is basically how you guys use all the different outputs on here. Now I'm actually going to try to use jump starter option to show you guys how that works and what actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is to plug in a cable like this first. And then once you guys do that, you guys can plug this onto right here. So because I don't have enough hands, let me actually plug it in first and then we'll test it out. So once you guys plug it in, you can see right here, show you guys that it is ready. So what you're going to do right now is to turn on your card and start using it. And I do want to mention when you guys do plug in cable, you guys want to make sure to plug in the right side. So negative with negative and positive with positive. So you see the battery going down, so it definitely does work. And the ready is off, you can see. So once you guys are done, you guys can turn it off and unplug the cable. But that is basically how you guys use the product. You can see it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice and quick test the product and definitely see actually does work, actually works quite well. So definitely leaving one of these in your car as an emergency is actually really useful and very convenient. So that way if you guys ever run out of battery in your car, you guys can definitely use a jump starter to jump start your car. And that way you guys won't be stuck in the road. And on top of that, like I mentioned, the product works as a power bank as well. So that way you guys do have the option to charge your other device, whether it be your phone, your iPad, or anything else. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality car jump starter that also give you guys the power bank option and everything else like I showed you guys right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't even want or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.